Hi students, I hope you all are safe and doing well. In third standard, you are going to study a new subject and the subject name is computer science. The first lesson from your textbook is Introduction to Computers. First, I will explain what a computer is. A computer is simply a machine. I will explain the concept with an example. Refrigerator is a machine. It is used to chill the items which is kept inside it. In the same way, a computer is a machine used for data processing. Now you will have the doubt, what is data? Yes, your name, your class, your section, your house address, your mobile number are the examples of data. When you give this data as input to a computer, the computer processes, that means works on it and gives the output. Here the output is your ID card. Once again I will explain. Listen to me carefully students. You are not giving ID card as input and getting the same ID card as output. Instead, you are giving data like your name, your class, your section, etc. as input and getting your ID card as output. I will explain the concept with another example. In a grocery shop, number of items, price per item is given as input to the computer. The computer works on it and gives the bill, that is the amount to be paid, as output. Here number of items, price per item are the examples of data and bill is the example for information. Now I guess that you have understood about the concept of data and information. Now I will explain about the parts of the computer that makes the computer to work. The two major parts of computer are hardware and software. First, let us discuss about hardware. Hardware are the parts of the computer which we can touch and feel. That means when you enter into the computer lab, you can see monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, etc. and even you can touch it. Take for example a human. Human has many parts like eyes, hands, legs, nose, etc. Without the parts, a man cannot do any work. In the same way, a computer has many parts like monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse, speakers, etc. to do any work. If there are no hardware parts, even the computer cannot do any work. Now I will explain you about what is a software. A software is a set of instructions that tells a computer what to do. Again, take for example the same human. Although human has many parts to do a work, without energy, the parts, which can also be called as organs, will not do any work. That is, without energy, the parts, that is the organs of the human, will not do any work. Another example. If you does not eat for one whole day and the next day if I ask you to write book back exercise, will you able to write it quickly? No. Why? Because you would have less energy. Imagine if you does not eat for many days. That's it. You cannot even stand. You will be laying down on the bed. So humans need energy to make the organs to do any work. In the same way, computer needs software to make the hardware to do any work. In short, human organs need energy to do any work. Likewise, computer parts needs software to do any work. Now let us discuss the difference between hardware and software. Hardware refers to the parts of the computer which we can touch and feel. Example, keyboard, mouse, monitor, speakers, scanners, etc. Software is a set of instructions that tells a computer what to do. Example, games which you play on a computer. There are many more examples for software which I will teach you in detail in the later sessions. Students, this is a general instruction to you all. Use any unused notebooks to write the homework which is being sent to you. It would be helpful for us while discussing about the topics in future. With this note, I am ending this session.